Hello everyone, Dr. C here. I just wanted to drop by and do an opening of my Good Fortune box. I've been really careful not to look at videos or pictures to see what's in the box. But before I open it, I just have to brag on Sam and Rachel. They are two very special people. When I first subscribed, which was their very first box, I knew that it was going to be special. I had met Sam and Rachel in Birmingham at a workshop that they hosted, so I knew whatever they did would be great. But what I didn't know is the care and the concern that they have for their subscribers. It really didn't come as a great surprise having met them, but I was the only male subscriber at that time, and there was one box or maybe two that had things that were geared more toward females. And so they took extra effort to make sure that my box was different and that I think in one box I had a different t-shirt. And then if you guys remember when you got the lipstick, I got chapstick. And I just think that's very special. And so I wanted to brag on them. So anyway, let's open the box. All right. Okay. Takes a little while. If I can do it without stabbing myself. All right, here we go. The Good Fortune box for June. I love the packaging. They always do such a great job with the packaging. And I always hate to tear the paper, but anyway, that's the way it goes. The first thing I see, and I think my shirt may be a little different. I think that's what they said. But yay, look at my shirt. That is wonderful. I love it. It's going to look great. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, great. Oh, that will come in handy. A notepad for students, their strengths and their struggles and the notes. I make notes in every class, so that will definitely come in handy. Oh, coffee bites. Make sure you can see it. Coffee bites. All right. Oh, chocolate. Yeah, you know that's got to be good. And oh, snap. Oh, it's a pop-up to go on the back of a phone or a whiteboard or even yeah, iPad. And then there's the Fortune coffee sugar scrub. Okay, I hope everybody got this and this wasn't directed at me. No, I'm just kidding. I know that everybody got that, I'm sure, but that looks really good. And believe it or not, many years ago, I used to be in the skincare business, and so that will come in handy. All right, there's the Fortune, and a recipe. Yeah, I don't cook, but I'll find someone who cooks, and we'll make use of this. Oh, look. Oh, great. I see this can be used probably to hold a lot of things, but I think the headphones would be held on there. Or props. Pretty much anything, I guess. That is great, guys. And always the links. Oh, yeah, headphone stand. The pop socket. That's what that's called. Wow. Very good. I love it. I love it. And links or information, yeah, links to a couple of featured teachers. As always, the June box did not disappoint at all. I'm going to read my fortune. Whatever makes you feel the sun from the inside out, chase that. Oh, that's great. That's wonderful. Okay, guys, I just wanted to pop on and do that unboxing. and I'll show you my shirt once again. I love it. As you can tell, I use Manicam, and I have my background for the 4th of July ready, and I thought that would be appropriate for today's too. Okay, Rachel and Sam, you did it one more time. Thank you, guys. See you later.